Hello everybody and welcome. My name is Henry and I am a Kiwi Can Leader from the Bay of Plenty. And today I thought I will teach you guys how to make little paper caterpillars. Now it's really easy, real simple to make, and then right at the end once we've made them, I'll show you our activity that we're going to do with these little caterpillars. So what you're going to need to make these caterpillars is a piece of paper, and you're also going to need some scissors as well. So hopefully, if you're able to, you can get a parent to cut your scissors for you. Otherwise, if you know how to use scissors and your parents allow you to use scissors, then go ahead. Just be careful with these scissors, okay? Because they are sharp and we don't want to get any accidents. So what we're going to do first is we're going to cut just straight down here, like I'll show you, for example. And we're just going to do right across the paper until you get to the other side. And then once we've done that, you should end up with some sort of strip like this. Okay? Cool. So now to make our caterpillar, what we're going to do is we're going to do a lot of folding. So the first fold is that we're going to fold it in half like this. Once we've done that, folded it in half, and it should look something like that. Then what we're going to do is we're going to fold this bottom half, and we're going to fold it in half all the way up to the halfway point, like so, like that. So as you can see, fold it in. And then we're going to fold it again. We're going to fold that little part in half as well. And so once you've done that, you should end up with something like this. So you can see that part is folded in and also everything is this. So we're going to do that, but we're going to do it on the exact same other side as well. So fold that in like so. Fold it in again once you've done that. And then you should get your piece of paper to look something like that. And then once you've done that, what we're going to do is we're going to fold both of these in, and then you're going to end up with a little piece of paper that looks something like this. Now, to make the caterpillar look round and more like a caterpillar, you're going to grab your scissors. Carefully, you're going to grab your scissors, and you're just going to cut around the edges, the little points at the end of the paper, and just make them a little bit more circular. So as you can see, you just cut around like that, and you should make something that looks a little bit like that. So when you use your scissors, you're going to go around like this. If you can't do that, I'm sure you can ask one of your family members or your parents to help you out. But let me just show you what it is, for example. So I'm going to do the other side like this, like that. So you can see both my sides are cut. And so now, what we do is once you unravel the piece of paper, it should look something like, once we get there, like this. As you can see, your piece of paper should look something like this. Alright. Now you can pick which end you want to make the face. I'm going to make this side the face. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a little smiley face on the end of my caterpillar. Give it some eyes. And then a smiley mouth, like so. Cool. So if you have a look, there's my little caterpillar smiley face. And now we're going to move on. Once you've done that, you've created your caterpillar. That's so cool. Now we're going to move on to our activity, right? What you can use with these caterpillars. All right. So shall we go there? All right. The activity I want to set for you guys is I want you to use your caterpillars. I want you to challenge one of your other family members or friends that is living in your household, and I want you to challenge them to a caterpillar race. Now, the reason we made these caterpillars is that you can actually move them if you blow on the top of the caterpillar, alright? So let me show you this for an example. So if you go like this, you can see that the caterpillar moves once it bends in. So I want you and maybe another family member to create a challenge, and I want you to challenge them to a race. I've set up a challenge right here with one of my other people that are living inside, so you can come in here. And what we're going to do is we're going to do a race to see if we can get to the other side there, okay? So on your marks, get set, go. Oh. Alright, well we tried. So what the aim is that you're going to have to try and get the caterpillar to bend down on the ground. It's kind of cheating if you go like this, because then the caterpillar can just fly away. So you have to make sure you play fair, and you have to try and make sure the caterpillar bends down and looks like that. Alright, so the theme of this lesson the theme of the whole Kiwi Can lesson that we've been trying to get to you guys is to do with resilience. And resilience is about bouncing back and keeping a positive mindset and keeping a positive attitude to a significant event or something that's just happened very abruptly in your life, and that means very quickly. So something that has maybe turned over like that immediately. In this case, this means something to do with the whole pandemic that's going around. So I thought I would share this activity with you because it's something that just keeps your mind a little bit more active. It's a bit of arts and crafts, it's a bit of creative fun, and it just keeps you, preoccupied for most of the day. So anyway, just remember to keep a positive mind, stay active, do a lot of exercise, try to get out if you can. If you have a dog, you can walk your dog. Otherwise, think of more fun and exciting things that you can do inside your household. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and please like this video if you like it, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers!